Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. In this presentation, we will address the Diagnostic Trouble Code DTC P0651, which indicates a malfunction in the sensor reference voltage B of the Honda Accord models between 2012 and 2017. This issue primarily involves the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, responsible for monitoring and supplying the necessary voltage to various sensors in the vehicle. The PCM features a voltage monitor designed to maintain a stable 5-volt reference for the sensors it controls. If the voltage deviates significantly, either exceeding 5.2 volts or dropping below 4.5 volts, for a duration of 2 seconds or more, the PCM identifies this anomaly as a malfunction, leading to the activation of the Malfunction Indicator Light, MIL, and the storage of the DTC. By understanding the components involved and the implications of this code, our goal is to facilitate a precise troubleshooting process for repairs. In summary, understanding DTC P0651 is imperative for proper maintenance of the Honda Accord from 2012 to 2017. We explored how critical components like the PCM and associated sensors function, as well as various potential causes that lead to the DTC activation. Each troubleshooting step developed a route to identify and rectify the issue effectively. The discussion of preventive maintenance highlighted its essential role in forestalling occurrences of DTCs and sustaining vehicle performance. A combination of precise diagnostics, thorough repairs, and ongoing maintenance will contribute significantly to the vehicle's longevity and reliability. The P0651 DTC specifically affects components crucial in managing the vehicle's engine performance, such as the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, various sensors, and their voltage supply lines. The PCM functions as the central computer, processing input from these sensors to regulate vital engine parameters. It is typically located within the engine compartment, tightly secured and protected from environmental factors. Each sensor, including the accelerator pedal position (APP) sensor and the throttle body, relies on a 5V reference voltage supplied by the PCM for accurate performance measurement. If there's either a short to power or ground in the VCC lines of these sensors, it leads to incorrect voltage readings. Understanding these components helps diagnose where the fault may lie within the system. Addressing the causes that could lead to the P0651 DTC, we note several potential issues. First, wiring issues, such as a short circuit in the VCNB line, could impact the sensor reference voltage, leading the PCM to detect a malfunction. Additionally, the PCM itself may experience internal circuit failures, disrupting its ability to manage voltage regulation. Various sensors within the system, like the CVT-driven pulley pressure and accelerator pedal position sensors, could also have their VCC lines shorted to either ground or power. Any of these conditions could cause the PCM to register abnormal voltage levels that activate the DTC. It's essential to assess each possible scenario to accurately identify the root cause. When the P0651 DTC is present, several symptoms can lead to noticeable changes in vehicle performance. The most immediate indicator is the illumination of the Malfunction Indicator Light, MIL, which serves as a warning that the vehicle's monitoring system has detected an issue. Drivers may also experience compromised engine performance. This could manifest as rough idling, reduced power, or improper acceleration. Additionally, sensors relying on the affected voltage may deliver erroneous readings to the PCM, further complicating diagnostics. By understanding these symptoms, technicians can take proactive measures to assess and remedy the underlying issue. The first step in troubleshooting P0651 is to check the power supply to the PCM and associated sensors. This involves inspecting the wiring harness for any visible damage, frayed wires, or corrosion that could disrupt the voltage supply. Next, it's critical to verify the condition of the connectors. Loose or oxidized connectors may impede the electrical connections. After ensuring that the power supply and wiring are intact, proceed to validate that the voltage monitored is stable at the expected 5 volts level. A thorough examination at this stage lays the groundwork for accurately identifying further issues within the voltage supply system. In the next troubleshooting step for DTC P0651, assessing the operation of the PGMFI main relay is crucial. This relay plays a significant role in supplying power to various engine components, and a malfunction here can lead to improper sensor voltage levels. Beyond checking the relay, it's essential to conduct continuity tests to check for shorts in the VCC lines to sensors like the APP and throttle body. Measuring the voltage levels at these critical points will assist in verifying if the signal aligns with the expected 5 volts. Proper testing and validation ensure that any shorts are identified before moving to the next steps in the diagnostic process. The final step in troubleshooting P0651 involves inspecting the PCM for any signs of malfunction. Since the PCM's internal circuits control the voltage output to sensors, any failure here could lead to an erroneous DTC. An internal circuit test can reveal if the PCM is performing as expected. If any faults are detected, replacing the PCM may be necessary to restore the system's functionality. It's also important to clear the DTC after replacing the PCM and monitor for reoccurrence, ensuring the repairs have successfully resolved the initial issue. After completing all steps in the troubleshooting process for DTC P0651, final repair verification ensures that no further issues persist. First, the DTCs should be cleared using a scan tool to reset the PCM's memory. Following this, a thorough test drive is recommended to allow the vehicle's systems to operate under typical conditions. This helps in confirming that the MIL does not illuminate after the repairs. Finally, verifying the operation of all sensors that were implicated in this DTC confirms that the voltage levels are now within the normal range. This comprehensive approach ensures that any issues caused by the initial malfunction are fully addressed. Preventive maintenance plays a crucial role in avoiding future occurrences of DTC P0651. Regular checks of the vehicle's voltage supply can help intercept issues before they escalate. Inspecting the wiring harness periodically to ensure no frays or damage will maintain solid electrical connections. Moreover, maintaining connector integrity through occasional cleaning or preventive replacement can significantly reduce the risk of voltage supply interruptions. This proactive approach not only extends the life of the engine control systems, but also promotes optimal vehicle performance, enhancing overall reliability. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.